What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Right this second, we're finna go and see what I got in the mail. It's from Hoonigan. Ordered a few things, but we're gonna be redoing the seat belts and bolts to the seats for my Miata and making them look good. It's gonna be a few-day process, so I'm gonna be in different clothes in probably just about every video. It's gonna be choppy too, I do believe. I don't have a tripod or anything. That's why it's always shaky. So let's get into it, baby. So this is what I got. Chem block stickers gonna go on my toolbox. And I got a maintenance log for my car. We're gonna open this up. I wanna see what the inside looks like. And then I'll show you me putting this on. Alright, so here we go. That's super nice. I like that. Sorry about all the dust. I had to dust this little table off I'm on. Heck yeah, man. It's got a nice feel to it too. Super clean. Here's that sticker again. Chem block sticker. Yes, sir. Alright, so we just got this one done. Check that out. It's not the best, but it looks a lot better than what it did. Now it's time to do the driver's side. Let's get into it.